everyone. It is 8:47. I am back at work, and this is your pre-opening comment for Thursday, the 24th of August. It is video number 1883. Okay, so Asia and Europe are slightly higher. Um, Everybody is waiting for tomorrow's Jay Powell speak on at Jackson Hole. But let's remember, it opens today, and not everybody is so focused on Jay Powell. There will be other discussions and other interviews, so that should be a factor even today. Thursday's claims day. Initial claims 230 versus 227 last week. So, it is just not improving much. And, excuse me, continuing claims still over 1.7 million, but continuing to weaken. And that was down about 9,000. So, we're really not making a lot of headway in the labor market. Durable goods orders are a miss. They were expected around down 4. The number came in down 5.2. So definitely a miss there. Boeing, more problems, possibly with the 737 MAX. The stock is 224. That's down 458 or 2%. So nothing overwhelming yet, but everybody remembers what happened the last time. And so the stock is giving up a little. Nvidia, got to be the topic of conversation. Finished yesterday 471.16. That was up 14.48. It came in with a beat, top and bottom line, and solid guidance. Traded as high as 520. Finished the evening session at 502.15, and that was up 45.70 or 9.9. This morning it's hanging in at 507.30, which on a net change basis is up 35.48. So just unbelievable. We also had a big miss on Petco, symbol Woof, WOOF. As I said, it was a miss. Guidance was lower. Earlier today, it was 570, and that was down about 84 cents. Currently trading 550, and that's down $1.04 or about 16%. This one I can't really find a lot of information on, but it's called High Tech Global. It's a technology company, just says software application. This stock 6 trading days ago was $8.85, has since moved the following day to a high of 27 with a close of 21 and a half. A short day on Monday, not much of anything, but Tuesday resumed its upside, hitting 33.71 and closing 27.80, up 5.30. Yesterday it hit 38, closed 33.95, and today it has been up as high as 51.46, and the last is 38.41, and that is up another $4.46. I don't see any news on it. I haven't been able to find really anything, but this stock was, I'm going to guess, it's been around since only April, where it started out at about $5. The all-time low, it looks like, was $4.11, and it was consolidating across all of July. And then at the end of July, it started up and, just has not stopped. The bottom line here is the stock is very overbought, but there's obviously something going on, and I will try and find it for tonight's closing trade. Um, on the earnings front, let's go to it. We had obviously the Nvidia, we had the Boeing news. Autodesk was a beat, top and bottom, and revenues were in line, but consensus was very strong, and it is. Let's see, 217.77 up 1341 or 6.6%. Splunk, SPLK also beat on earnings, beat on revenues, guide above consensus, and guides 24 above consensus. Um, Snowflake, same situation, beat on revenue, beat on earnings, and gave good guidance. And the stock is 162.24. That's up 654 or 4.2%. Dollar Tree is down about 6%, even though it beat by 4 cents. On earnings, beat on revenues, but the guide for the third quarter was below, excuse me, below consensus, revenues above consensus. 24 fiscal year earnings in line, revenues above consensus. And GES, that's the jeans and apparel, 2146 up 315 or 17.2%. Uh, Beats on earnings, beats on revenues. Again, same situation. Q3 below consensus, revenues below consensus, but guides 24 above consensus. So that one, 2146 up 315 or 17%. Okay, the chart on the screen, excuse me, is the 30-year. And again, as it continues, breaks to a lower low, comes back to a lower high, and then sells off again. Had this little reversal um, uh, on Tuesday. Wednesday was a big up day, up almost 2 points. And then today, same situation, rallies a little higher, another lower high, and is now on the low of the day. I expect that Powell is going to say, pretty much just what everybody is talking about, which is possibly longer at higher rates. So, pretty much in the can. We'll see how that actually works. And AMC, Adam Aaron, never trust the guy with two first names. They did a 1 for 10 reverse so that their conversion of the ape unit, is now essentially 1 for 10. So you need 10 ape to get one AMC. And so the last on the AMC after its reverse split, let's see, they put it into they've now converted it into the new numbers. So in the last 4 days, it has come from 41.90, is currently trading at 17.16. So that's a high of $4.03 and a last of 171. So it is down. It looks like it's up if you go day to day, and you don't do your homework and look and see exactly what you own and what you're going to get. The purpose of this, and you can believe Adam Aaron or not, he has sworn that he wasn't going to issue more stock. The entire point of this is to decrease the amount of availability of giving out more stock by lowering the shares outstanding through the 1 for 10 reverse. Um, you know, I go to an AMC theater all the time. It's comfortable. The equipment is good. It's a nice experience. But I have yet to be at a theater that is anywhere near approaching even 3/4 full. So believe what you want. Trust in Aaron if you want, but he doesn't have a great track record. I mean, he lied about he wasn't going to sell any stock, and now he's playing games on a cosmetic level. So, in fact, he can issue more stock. Okay, everyone, let's get a last look at the futures. The high that I saw on the NASDAQ was up just short of 200, currently up about 132. The Dow has been down all morning. I saw it go from point four from 43 to minus 58 to minus 68, currently now down 71, and Nasdaq, as I said, up 138, and the S&P, let's see if we can get a new current read on it. By the way, the bond yields are up again today on that news. Let's just see. Oil down a little. S&P up 16 and a half. So it's gone from up 21 to up 18 to up 17 to up 16 and a half. I'll be back later, folks. Good to be back at my desk.